and welcome to Pluralsight. My name's Mike McQuillan, and do I have a course for you? All about loading data with SQL Server integration services. You might think SSIS is boring, just shifting data from one place to another. But it's actually a super interesting platform to work with, honestly. Not only do you mess around with data, you also write SQL and .NET code. You even learn all about cool ways to transform data. SSIS developers need to be multi-skilled, so it's a great string to add to your bow. With SSIS, you can take some boring, pretty useless CSV files and turn them into something magical. You can load the data from the CSV files into a database, converting the rows into useful information as you insert them. Suddenly, a boring set of letters and numbers can give your organisation insights into things they probably hadn't even thought about. This course teaches you all you need to know about loading data. It even shows you how to handle data formats SSIS doesn't support natively, using a script component with some cool C# code. You'll see the entire process from start to finish, beginning with designing and building a control flow. Lots of SSIS tasks are covered, showing how you can execute SQL, use for-each containers, and even send emails. And we don't forget about making sure the package is configurable either, with a good look at how variables and parameters can take your package to the next level, configuration-wise anyway. After you've learned all of that, you'll be shifting data from one place to another all of the time. Hope to see you at the course. Thanks for watching.